Do you have to go to extremes to stay motivated in your exercise routines? If the answer is yes, then we have the solution for you. Run on Earth is a new fitness app that makes exercise more fun, exciting, and immersive than ever before. This incredible fitness app for smartphones and tablets works with compatible treadmills, bikes, ellipticals, and indoor cycle trainers, and lets you exercise all over the world from the comfort of your own home. Run on Earth uses Google Maps to set routes across the globe. Simply press the start and end points, and the app will create a custom route for you. You can also easily adjust the path to add your favorite locations. Just like your real-world route, the application will automatically adjust the incline for treadmills and the resistance for bikes, ellipticals, and indoor cycle trainers to simulate the elevation levels of the course. Choose between 3 viewing modes that make it fun to watch your progress as you exercise. Street View provides real-world views of the street, just as if you were really there. Map View shows you exactly where you are on the route. Satellite View gives you an excellent bird's-eye view of the roads and terrain you are exercising through. With Run on Earth, you can work out and travel the world at the same time. Exercise by historic landmarks like the Roman Colosseum. Check out the beautiful coastline in Cape Town. Explore the intriguing streets of Hong Kong. The possibilities to exercise and see the world are truly endless. Run on Earth tracks important stats both during and after workouts, which is great for setting goals and monitoring fitness performance over a long period of time. You can also use Apple TV with Run on Earth and mirror the display of your iOS device on a large TV to provide an incredible viewing experience. Run on Earth supports multiple languages. This allows people around the world to use the app in their native language. The app is compatible with both fixed pin and Bluetooth fitness machines, so you can choose the type that best fits your needs. These are just some of the exciting features to be found in Run on Earth. To learn more about this fantastic fitness experience and to find compatible fitness machines, visit the Run on Earth website, Facebook, and Twitter pages.